Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We had already started our chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal. So, we will move on in this chapter. On the page number 28, you will find out the next stop in a trip, and all the students are moving to the Bhimbetka. In the textbook, you will get this point. After the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Yes, we had already covered till this. यहाँ पे diesel refilling होता था. That things we had covered. Now, after the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now, the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Rena said, it is a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. Sumonto, 10,000 years? I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. Gopi said, oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I cannot even think of 100 years. Then Gauri said, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. देखो यहाँ पर बात करिए कि they are not even think about the 1,000 year back. तो 10,000 तो बहुत दूर की बात है. Even though they are not thinking about 100 years ago. Okay. So, but Gauri ने बोला हाँ, I can think about that because one of my father's grandmother is about 100 years old. So, 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 10,000. So, 10,000 years ago मतलब 100 year को दूसरे 100 से multiply करोगे, then you will get the 10,000 years. Now, Manjit said, that means those caves are almost 100 ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर्स ओल्ड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा जोक था कि उन्होंने बोला ऐसे 100 साल वाली 100 दादी माँ होगी, तब उतना पुराना होगा ये. सो एवरीबडी बर्स्ट इनटू लाफ्टर. हा हा हा. नाउ the children are really excited to see the cave painting. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Okay, here is a picture of the cave. See, there are some dialogues from the student. Wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such a lovely paintings, that too on rocks. तो एक और बच्चे ने बोला, oh, these rocks are thousands of year old. तो फिर ये पत्थर भी ऐसे 10,000 years भी old होंगे. Now, on the next page, page number 29, you will find out some dialogue. Shankar, this painting also has very big bison. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bison, you count the deer in the paintings. Bonumala, I will count people. Let us see which are the most, bison, deer or people. Here, the one student counting bisons. Who count the bison? Okay, so here 37 bisons and the girl counting deer, which is 117 in all numbers. So how many more deer are there than bison? So definitely bison is less in number than the deer. So what will you do? From the number of deer, you will subtract the number of bison. So 117 minus 37 is equal to 80. Okay, that would be the answer. But Bonumala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. अभी इसका मतलब क्या है? ये दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे उससे भी ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ पीपल है. हर काउंट इज लेस देन 200. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी पीपल मस्ट बी बोनुमाला हैव काउंटेड? तो यहाँ पर आपको 3-4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 240 which is greater than 200. तो ये ऑप्शन तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Then next is 154. तो ये दोनों का एडिशन यहाँ पे मिला के 154 होता है. देखो 7 7 14 कैरी 1 3 4 5, तो 154. तो ये आंसर भी नहीं होगा. Now 134, which is also wrong answer because the number of people are more than the together deer and bison. Okay, दोनों का एडिशन करते हैं फिर भी उससे ज्यादा है. So here is the addition which is less than, here is the number which is less than the addition, so that would be not that would not be the answer. So our answer is 177, which is less than 200 as well as greater than total number of bison and deer, which is 154. So we'll move to the next. The guide tells them there are 600 cave paintings in all and it is time to leave Bhimbetka. Now they are leaving. They have spent 1 hour. What time is it? Okay, उन्होंने वहां पे 1 hour spend किया. So they have reached at Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock and they spent 1 hour. So what will be the time? The time would be 12 o'clock. Now they are now moving towards Bhopal and they should be reached there less than 1 hour at about. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो 1 hour मतलब 60 minutes होती है, तो हम लोग अज्यूम कर सकते हैं दे आर रीचिंग देयर अबाउट 12:30 o'clock. ओके, सो इतने टाइम पे वो लोग वहां पे पहुंचे होंगे. बिकॉज यहाँ बोला है लेस देन 1 hour, तो 1 hour इज इक्वल टू 60 minutes, तो हम लोग कुछ भी अप्रोक्सीमेटली यहाँ पे मैनेज लिख सकते हैं, बट नॉट एग्जैक्ट 1 hour. नाउ टर्न योर पेज नंबर 30. हियर दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लंच टाइम. मैंने आपको सबसे पहले ही लेक्चर में बोला था कि इन अ ट्रिप वी कैन इंक्लूड सो मैनी थिंग्स, राइट? तो लंच टाइम इज वन ऑफ देम. द चिल्ड्रन आर हंग्री बाय द टाइम, so they take out their lunch packs, and biscuits, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. So basically यहाँ पर क्या है, all the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. So our first question is how many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed. तो यहाँ पर हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं ये जो हमारे टोटल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन थे कितने थे, 210. लुक एट हियर on the very first page we have count the total number of children which are 210 in number. So we have distributed 1 orange to each student, so 1 multiplied by 210, so we will get 210 oranges, and 1 bananas to each and every student, तो bananas भी कितने होंगे 210, and 5 biscuits, so 210 multiplied by 5. By doing the multiplication we'll get the answer like this. Okay, 1050. so यहाँ पर 1050 biscuits हमने दिए. Now what is the condition? That all the children take orange and biscuit, but 38 children do not take bananas. मतलब जो number of bananas थे उसमें से 38 minus कर देंगे, and then afterward we'll get the answer 182. So 210 oranges, 1050 biscuits and 182 bananas were distributed among the children. Now next, Manjit and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. After finishing the lunch, all the children are playing the game. Puzzles के पूछ रहे थे एक दूसरे को. Manjit, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. So that number would be 125. How? वो तो आपको पता ही है. Now Bhanu, to 120 number, 130 number, it is 125. तो भानु ने आंसर दिया 125. Now Manjit, right? Okay. You ask now. अभी तू पूछ. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling questions. Now he, number 1. I gave 4 toffees, each to 4 of my friend, and 3 toffees are left with me. Then how many toffees did I have? 4 टॉफी एक फ्रेंड को दी, तो 4 फ्रेंड्स को कितनी दी टोटल? 4 4s are 16. and 3 toffees are left without distributing. So 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So total he had 19 toffees with him. Now number B, what numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? And you can make 3, 5, 7 and 5, 3, 7. What others? Okay, so these are the two numbers. Using this 3 digit you can make the 6 numbers. See, like this, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5, 3. हम यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. So it would be messy, but it's fine. 750, 35, 700 हो गया, 500, 375, then 357 and 537. So these are the 6 numbers that we can make using the 3 digit. Now next number C, a number become double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? कोई भी एक नंबर है, उसमें आपने 8 ऐड किया, तो जो भी नंबर आप ऐड करें उसका डबल आंसर आएगा. सो हियर इज द आंसर इज 8. 8 में हम 8 ऐड करेंगे तो ही हमें 16 मिलेगा, विच इज द डबल ऑफ द 8. Now next, on the next page, page number 13. On this page, another question. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 5 and comes between 25 and 50. That number would be 30. See, 30 divided by 2 is 15, 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10 and 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So these is the number which is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now number E, a small ant climbed 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slipped down 2 centimeter. How much time will it take to climb to 2 centimeter? देखो, here is the question is, ant है, ये ant है, ये 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, यहाँ से उसने start किया 1, 2 and 3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो, sorry, 1, 2 and 3 centimeter. And the ant start from here. So, क्या बोला है? A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slip down. मतलब यहाँ से ऊपर गई 1 मिनट में और यहाँ पे नीचे आ गई. How much time will take to climb 2 centimeter? फिर यहाँ से फिर से वो 3 centimeter अप गई और 2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आई, तो इतना 2 सेंटीमीटर ले जाने में उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 मिनट. Okay, now our next topic is, which board do we take? Now they are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. उसको ले popcorn दे रहा है, ले duck खा, ले duck खा. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. And they have to choose which boat to take, but it is not easy. वो इतना easy नहीं है. Because they have different price rate as well as the different timing for different boat. So turn on your page number 32 in the textbook, where you will find out this table. Okay, there are different kind of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. See, here is the name of the boats, here is the ticket price and here is the trip time. So double decker, paddle boat, motor boat and boat with oars. So our next question, can you see that there is a picture of a double decker boat, and here are some students, these are talking, and 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. तो दूसरे बच्चे क्या सोच रहे हैं? We will take the motorboat. It is costly but fun. Zoom. See, every children were thinking differently because they have they want to fun on their own, बराबर, वो अपने आप अपनी मर्जी से मजाक करना चाहते थे. So each and every children has their own choice to fun with their friends. So on the next page, page number 33, you will find out this, the picture of the lake with some of the boat. So one child say, let us take the oar boats. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. बोले हम शांति से राइड करेंगे क्योंकि इसमें बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है और पैसे भी बहुत कम है. तो एक चाइल्ड बोल रहा है, हे वी आर गोइंग ऑन द डबल डेकर, इट इज ऑल्सो हैज म्यूजिक, इट कॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ बट वी गेट मोर टाइम. बोले इसमें म्यूजिक भी है, इसमें कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा है और ज्यादा टाइम भी है, तो आई थिंक वी विल हैव फन ऑन दिस. सो मैंने क्या बोला, ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड हैज देयर ओन चॉइस टू गेट फन with their friends. So based on this table, there are some question answers. So let's solve this. Here, Indra and Bhanu first went in the motorboat and then took the oar boat. Okay, so Indra and Bhanu, there are two children. So first they will took the motorboat. तो मोटरबोट का प्राइस क्या है, मोटरबोट हैविंग 25 रुपीज, तो 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, सो दैट इज द 50. एंड देन टुक द ओर बोट्स, ओर बोट्स का क्या है 15 रुपीज, तो 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 15 2 जा 30. So total, how much did they pay for both the boats? So they have to pay rupees 80 for both the boats. Now second number question, how much time did they get for both the rides? So देखो यहाँ पर timings भी है. Here 45 minutes, which is the ride for the boat with oars. Okay, and the 20 minutes, which is the time period for the motorboat. So total they are having 45 plus 20 is equal to 65 minutes, and here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, matlab 65 matlab 60 plus 5, so 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 5 minutes. They will get the 1 hour and 5 minutes riding time on both the boat. Now one group of children went for the double-decker trip and they paid rupees 415 total. So how many children went for the double-decker trip? तो यहाँ पे भी क्या करेंगे, here is the total amount which is paid for the double-decker boat. Okay, and what is the cost for one student? Here is a one person, the cost for the one person is rupees 30. So what will you do in this case? You will divide the 450 divide by 30. So you will get the number of children. So after doing this, we will get the answer 15 children. 0 0 cut, and 15 3s are 45. So 15 children. Next question, which boat makes 2 trips in hour? Okay, so look at here is the trip time. I think 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 is the double of 30. So which boat? Paddle boat. P-A-D-D, paddle boat. That's the answer. Now which boat takes the less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour. So here, look at this. Less than half an hour, so that is a motorboat, which is less than 30. Its riding time, trip time is less than 30, which is less than half an hour. Next is, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम है और कम पैसे लेता है, तो boat with oars. See, make sure एग्जाम में ऐसे कंपैरिजन के बेस पे क्वेश्चन आंसर आएंगे. So in that case you have to understand the language of the question. Question में क्या पूछा है, that you have to understand. पेपर में लास्ट टाइम यही मिस्टेक किया है. There are so many students those who haven't understand the language of the question. तो ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. और गवर्नमेंट में से पेपर आएगा तो यू शुड बी फैमिलियर विद द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. फाइन. तो इस टाइप की लैंग्वेज आपको फैमिलियर होना है and you will have to practice a lot, then you will get an idea. First of all, try to understand what is being asked in the question and then you will find out the answer. Javed went twice for boating and he paid a total rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boat did he take? Okay, twice for the boating and he paid total rupees 40 rupees. 40 rupees diya hai usne. Fine. Now, and boated for 50 minutes. First of all, you will find out here. Here you will find out 25 plus 15. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So here it becomes 40 rupees. And 30 minutes and 20 minutes. So total 50 minutes. So your answer is paddle boat and the motor boat. So here is your question. Javed went twice for boating and he paid total rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boat did he take? So he took paddle boat and the motor boat. So that's your answer. Here we will write down that answer. Paddle boat, motor boat. Okay. Now time to return. After finishing all this thing, there will be a time for return. Children enjoy different boat ride till 4 o'clock and it is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by blank clock. Okay, here again time is given at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock plus 2. So the time is 6 o'clock. Okay, o'clock is already written. So your time is 6 o'clock. Turn your page number 34, where you will find out this practice time. There are 4 very old cave painting. Mark the oldest one. Okay, so 4,200 years old, 1,000 years old, 8,500 years old, and 1,300 years old. So which one is the answer? Answer is this. One bus can carry 48 children. Then how many children can the 3 buses carry? तो simple 48 multiply by 3. यहाँ पे लिखा है about, not the exact number has been given. Okay, so your answer is 48 multiplied by 3 is equal to 144, which is quite near to the 150. So you will take this answer. Which, देखो यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं दिया है, उसके आसपास का नंबर आपको लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे 50 नंबर्स का गैप है एंड हियर you will find out the gap of 6 numbers. So this will be your answer. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? Okay, more than 500. Which two number you will take here to make more than 500? See, 2 plus 1, 3, 9. 10, 11, 1, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So, which is more than 500? Next, number 4. What happened at what time? Draw lines to match. Okay, one has been done already. Cross the Narmada bridge at 9:10 a.m. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? We have to find out the time from whole the chapters and match with the correct one. So look at the Bhimbetka painting. About at 11:30 a.m. Then at the petrol pump, 9:30 a.m. Boating in the lake, 3 p.m. Had lunch 12:30 p.m. and returned to Hoshangabad at 6 p.m. So this is it in the textbook. Now open your workbook, page number 41, where you will find out this. Question number 17. All of them reached Nucky Lake of Mount Abu at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and children wanted to do boating there. The price list of boating was as below, and answer the following question on its basis. You have to write down the question answer for this. Number A. Two children went in the double-decker boat and then went in the pedal boat. Then how much did they pay for both the boats? So ticket for two children for the double-decker boat is 2 multiplied by 40 is equal to rupees 80 and 40. Now we are going to add both the things and we will get the answer. This 80 plus 40 is equal to rupees 120. Number B, one group of children went in the motorboat and there they paid rupees 316 total. Then how many children went for the motorboat trip? Ticket for one child for motorboat is equal to rupees 30. Then money paid for motorboat is equal to rupees 360. So, number of children is equal to 360 divided by 30, where you will find out the answer 12. Okay, see here, number C, one group of children went in the boat with oars and there they paid rupees 120 in total. Then how many children went for the trip in the boat with oars? Same like above. पहले हमें क्या लिखना है? We have to write down the amount for one children, right? They have to pay ticket for one child for boat with oars is equal to rupees 15 and money paid for the boat with oars is equal to rupees this. So number of children is equal to 120 divided by 15. So here is 8. 8 is your answer. Now number D, which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? तो 1 hour मतलब 60 minutes होता है. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes के कौन सी बोट की राइड है? Here you will find out the 30 minutes which is the trip time for the paddle boat. So your answer is paddle boat makes two trips in 1 hour. Number E, which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? हाफ एन आवर का मतलब होता है 30 मिनट्स. 30 मिनट्स से भी लेस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल चेक द ट्रिप टाइम्स. Okay, less than 30 minutes, there is only one, which is the motorboat ride. So 20 minutes, which is less than the 30 minutes. So motorboat takes less than half an hour. Now number F, which boat provides the most time and the least expense? सबसे ज़्यादा time और सबसे कम expense, which is boat with oars. देखो सबसे ज़्यादा time है, सबसे कम expense है. So that's why. Number G, one boy paid for rupees 40 and boated for 1 hour. Which boat did he take? So he exactly, one boy paid rupees 40 and boated for 1 hour. Which boat? Okay, so here is 20 रुपीज़. तो देखो 20 का डबल हो जाएगा 40 एंड 30 मिनट्स है तो उसका डबल हो जाएगा 60. सो दैट्स द आंसर, पैडल बोट. नंबर एच, one boy took two boats and boated for total 50 minutes and paid a total of rupees 50. Which two boats did he take? Okay, so one boy took two boats and boated for total 50 minutes. 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes. और 30 मिनट वाला रेट क्या है? कैन यू फाइंड आउट? For 30 minutes you will need 30 minutes के लिए ₹20 और 20 minutes के लिए ₹30. So here you will find out 50 rupees. So which two board? Pedal board and motor boards. Next, number 18, all of them started to return Ahmedabad at 5 o'clock in the evening. At what time will the bus reach Ahmedabad if it does not stop anywhere? Between 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock in the night, because the time difference is this much, 5 to 6 hours. Next is number 19. If the cost of this trip is rupees 2,500 for the children of one bus, and if there are 50 children in the bus, then what is the cost of travel for each children? So that is simple thing. We are going to do division here. Total cost this, number of children, the total cost of travel for each child is equal to this, divide by this, and you will get the answer ₹50. Now based on that, there are some MCQ. Okay, so we are going to solve it. Number 1, which pair of number add up to make 1000? Okay, so 1000 number banana hai, तो I am going to add these two things, तो ये 1000 number बनेगा. Next, number 2, age of 4 paintings are given. What is the oldest one? So जो सबसे बड़ा number होगा वो सबसे oldest one होगा. That is very simple. So you can find out the answer this way. और सबसे छोटा number होगा वो सबसे youngest होगा. So a minibus needs 50 liter of diesel for refilling. 4 mini buses we need blank of diesel. This multiply by 4. 4 5 are 20 के पीछे. Okay, एक zero लगा दो, which is 200 liter. Number 4, if a car takes 8 minutes and a bike takes 4 minutes to refill the tank, how much total time is needed for refilling 2 cars and 3 bikes? 2 cars, 8 2s are 16, and 3 cars, 3 bikes, so 4 3s are 12. 16 plus 12, so that is 28 minutes. Number 5, if the length of one bus is 5 minutes and this bus crossed a bridge of length 600 meter, then how many number of buses, one behind the other, can stand in a line on this bridge? So here what do you have to do? 5 meter. So 600 divided by 5. So that's the answer. 12 5s are 16. So यहाँ पे एक extra 0 है. 12 5s are 16. So 12 आएगा and put the extra 0 after that. So your answer is 120 buses.